Is your vision sending you warning signals? Diabetes doesn't just impact your blood sugar. It can quietly wreak havoc on your eyesight. Many people overlook the subtle changes in their vision, unaware that these could be early signs of a serious problem. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for preserving your sight. Discover the 7 key indicators that diabetes might be affecting your eyes. Your vision's future may depend on it. Number 1. Blurry or fluctuating vision. One of the earliest and most common signs that diabetes is affecting your eyes is a change in your visual clarity. Many people with diabetes experience periods where their vision becomes unfocused or seems to shift in quality throughout the day. This occurs because high blood sugar levels cause the lens of the eye to swell, altering its ability to focus light properly on the retina. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research in 2018 found that over 60% of patients with poorly controlled diabetes reported experiencing blurred vision. As blood sugar levels fluctuate, so can your eyesight, leading to inconsistent visual acuity. You might find yourself squinting to read text that was clear yesterday, or notice that your vision sharpens after taking diabetes medication. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's crucial to consult an eye doctor promptly, as early detection and treatment can prevent long-term damage to your eyes. Number 2. Dark or empty areas in your vision. Diabetes can cause serious damage to the blood vessels in your retina, leading to a condition known as diabetic retinopathy. As this condition progresses, you may start noticing dark or empty patches in your field of vision. These areas, often described as blind spots, occur when diabetes damages or blocks the tiny blood vessels that nourish your retina, causing parts of it to die off. A landmark study published in the New England Journal of Medicine in 2015 found that nearly 80% of people who've had diabetes for 20 years or more develop some form of retinopathy. These vision changes often start small but can grow larger over time if left untreated. It's crucial to note that these dark areas don't always appear suddenly. They may develop gradually, which is why regular eye exams are vital for people with diabetes. If you notice any persistent dark or empty areas in your vision, seek immediate medical attention to prevent further vision loss. Number 3. Difficulty seeing colors, especially blues and greens. Diabetes can significantly impact your ability to perceive colors, particularly in the blue-green spectrum. This change in color vision is often an early sign of diabetic retinopathy, a condition where high blood sugar damages the blood vessels in the retina. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes and its Complications in 2019 found that over 40% of people with type 2 diabetes had some degree of color vision impairment, even before other symptoms of eye damage were apparent. You might notice that blues appear faded or that you have trouble distinguishing between similar shades of blue and green. This happens because diabetes affects the color-sensitive cells in your retina, called cones. The blue cones are particularly vulnerable to damage from high blood sugar levels. If you find yourself struggling to match clothes or notice that colors seem less vibrant, especially in the blue-green range, it's crucial to have your eyes examined. Early detection and proper management of diabetes can help preserve your color vision and overall eye health. Number 4. Floaters or dark spots in your field of view. When diabetes affects your eyes, you might start seeing tiny specks, dots, or cobweb-like shapes drifting across your vision. These are called floaters, and while they can be normal, an increase in their number or size can signal diabetes-related eye problems. A comprehensive study published in the American Journal of Ophthalmology in 2017 found that people with diabetes were 9 times more likely to develop severe floaters compared to those without diabetes. These floaters occur when the gel-like substance in your eye, called the vitreous, begins to shrink and form clumps. In diabetics, high blood sugar can damage blood vessels in the retina, causing them to leak blood or fluid into the vitreous. This can appear as new or more numerous dark spots in your vision. If you notice a sudden increase in floaters, especially accompanied by flashes of light or vision loss, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention. This could indicate a retinal detachment, a serious complication that requires prompt treatment to prevent permanent vision loss. Number 5. Eye pain or pressure. Diabetes can take a toll on your eyes in ways you might not expect, including causing pain or a feeling of pressure. This discomfort isn't just annoying, it's a warning sign that shouldn't be ignored. A study published in the journal BMJ, Open Diabetes Research Care, in 2018 found that about 25% of people with diabetes reported experiencing eye pain, compared to only 8% of those without diabetes. This pain or pressure can stem from various diabetes-related eye problems. For instance, diabetes increases your risk of developing glaucoma, where fluid buildup in the eye creates pressure. It can also cause inflammation in different parts of the eye, leading to discomfort. Sometimes, the pain results from nerve damage due to consistently high blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes and start feeling any unusual sensations in your eyes, don't wait to get it checked out. Early detection and treatment can make a big difference in preserving your vision. Remember, regular eye exams are crucial for catching these issues before they become serious problems. Number 6. Increase sensitivity to light. When diabetes affects your eyes, you might find yourself squinting or feeling uncomfortable in bright environments more often than usual. This heightened sensitivity to light, known medically as photophobia, can be a telling sign of diabetes-related eye problems. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes and its Complications in 2021 found that people with diabetic retinopathy were 3 times more likely to experience light sensitivity compared to those without diabetes. This increased light sensitivity occurs because diabetes can damage the retina and other parts of the eye, making them more reactive to light. You might notice discomfort or even pain when exposed to sunlight, bright indoor lighting, or the glare from screens. Some people describe it as feeling like their eyes are straining or burning in normal light conditions. If you're constantly reaching for sunglasses or finding yourself avoiding well-lit areas, it's time to consult an eye doctor. Early detection and management of diabetes-related eye issues can help preserve your comfort and vision in the long run. Number 7. Difficulty seeing at night or in low light conditions. Many people with diabetes experience challenges with their vision in dim environments, a condition often referred to as night blindness. This symptom can significantly impact daily life, making activities like driving after sunset or navigating dimly lit rooms increasingly difficult. A comprehensive study published in the journal Investigative Ophthalmology Visual Science in 2019 found that individuals with diabetes were 5 times more likely to report impaired night vision compared to those without the condition. This visual impairment occurs because diabetes can damage the light-sensitive cells in the retina, particularly the rod cells responsible for low-light vision. High blood sugar levels can also affect the eye's ability to quickly adjust between light and dark environments. If you find yourself struggling to see clearly when moving from bright to dim areas, or if you need more time for your eyes to adapt in dark settings, it's crucial to consult an eye specialist. Early detection and proper management of diabetes can help slow down or prevent further deterioration of your night vision, preserving your independence and safety in low-light conditions. Recognizing these 7 signs early can be crucial for preserving your vision if you have diabetes. Regular eye exams and maintaining good blood sugar control are key to preventing serious complications. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't hesitate to consult an eye specialist. Your sight is precious. Protect it proactively. You might also want to watch this video for other crucial signs of diabetes. And please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.